Hello guys, how are you?
Hi guys, today we're gonna answer the question, how are the roads robots faster?
So, the general answer for this is everything into the robot is designed to be as fast as possible. The parts and the motors. So, let's go.
So, first of all, they build the robot using a lot of redundancy systems that will support the velocity of the mechanisms, so they can put the full power of the motor because the engineer is capable of withstanding and avoid mistakes.
So, the second thing that improves the speed of the robot is the customized and specific gear relations into the motors. These relations improve the control of the motor movement and increase the speed capacity of the motors. It's the best way if you have slow motors, but you should use large and metal gears. The half plastic ones or similar aren't the best option. The teams also use a lot of pulleys and valves to transmit the movement. This kind of transmission allows for speed increasing and better control of the movement too.
The third thing is the automations that they made during the robot transition phases. The driver reaction could take up too much time during the match, so they automate the transfer phases of the robot not to waste time with the driver's reaction. For example, the common robot in center stage consisted of an intake, a transfer platform, or only a mid-platform and the outtake. In the road robot, this transfer platform movement, or only the collection of the pixels into the mid-platform with the outtake, were fully automated using sensors and servos.
To be able to put the full power of the motor into the robot mechanisms, the teams also have a battery current control to manage the power distribution through the whole robot according to the capacity of the battery on the specific moment. This kind of program also helps to increase the speed of the motors when it's possible.
Now, talking about the mechanisms that they use to improve the speed, the one that I think is the best way to start increasing the speed is the springs and elastics into the mechanism. Basically, they use these springs or elastics to support the motor into the structure movement both ways, so the motor only needs to use the power during the motion. After that, this spring supports the position of the mechanism. Summing up, they can use the full power of the motor without spending a lot of energy, and at the same time, the springs or elastics help the motor during the movement, which makes it faster.
The second thing about these mechanical options to increase the speed is the use of the servos. The fastest robots that I've seen in the world were using a lot of servos instead of using a lot of motors. And because of that, they have more control of the mechanism and more speed. But the key of this choice is the type of servos that they use. Here in Brazil, we mostly use the half smart servo. And this one, compared with the other disposable ones into the market, are slower and only with 108 degrees of turn. Because of that, we use more motors. The servos that they use there have 1800 degrees of turn, 5 times more speed, more precision, and sometimes the same torque.
And to finish this video, talking about the Viper's lights, the way that they found to increase the speed of this kind of mechanism is changing the cables to more elastic ones or using belts, adding pulleys to drive these cables or belts, and using these springs to help the motor perform the motion. The last thing about the Vipers is the motors that they use. Only go build the ones.
So that's it for today, guys.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.